Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Lightweight body armor uses liquid to stop bullets. Upon first examination, Oobleck looks and acts like any other liquid. It flows from one cup to another easily like you would expect. However, if you apply sudden, sharp force to the surface, it becomes a near-solid mixture.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Oobleck belongs to a class of materials known as non-Newtonian fluids. If you could go swimming in a pool of Oobleck, the Oobleck would feel like a liquid when you moved slowly, but would act like a solid if you tried to swim around quickly.
Take our lead.
Luckily, the gooey substance is not toxic, but it probably won't taste good since it's just cornstarch and water. As one individual pointed out on Yahoo Answers, while eating Oobleck may not be poisonous, it could potentially give someone pains in their stomach if large quantities are ingested. 11 May 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Velocity, so the much denser water causes the bullet to decelerate much faster than does the drag the bullet experiences traveling through the air. You are quite unlikely to be killed by a bullet while underwater.
Let's help you make your mark.
This means it doesn't follow Newton's laws of fluid dynamics, and behave the way we would expect a fluid or liquid to behave. Think about water. If you pour it out of a container, you know exactly how it is going to behave as it flows onto the ground, splashing as it lands. If you freeze it, it will become solid. 30 January 2019.
Take our lead.
2 weeks. Oobleck is great for days of play. To store, put Oobleck in an airtight container and refrigerate. You may need to add a splash or two of water to get the desired consistency again. Store and reuse for up to 2 weeks of fun.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.